Our last video got cut off from a phone call, but this is a continuation of Benny. What's it look like from Benny's point of view? That's what Benny's looking at. He doesn't seem to care that it's a bunch of my old sewing junk. Do you, bud? With ice cream on your face. You wanna say hi? Hey!